Welcome, esteemed viewers, to our channel. Today we delve into a narrative unlike any other, a tale where the end of the world as we know it began not on Earth, nor even within our solar system. No, this story unfolds on the massive and enigmatic planet Arcturus, located on the far side of our galaxy. Here, the Planetary Council convened, a gathering pulsing with the electrifying energy of heated discussions. We will explore the intricate motivations, grand strategies, and unforeseen consequences of this cosmic drama. In the heart of Arcturus, amidst a council chamber rich with history, the head of the council, an imposing figure characterized by both stature and presence, commanded attention with a voice that resonated throughout the room. Order, 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 echoed, silencing the murmur of discontent. Following this moment of quiet, he shared groundbreaking news from the scientific community. A small, blue planet at the far reaches of their galaxy had been identified. Earth, inhabited by what he decried as an inferior race of destructive beings. Proposals to annihilate humanity garnered murmurs of agreement, as sentiment emerged that this intervention was imperative to prevent societal collapse on a galactic scale. The Council discussed the implications of the intergalactic treaty, which aimed to ensure that intelligent life forms were allowed to evolve without interference. Thus, a resolution emerged, one to utilize asteroids deflected from the Kuiper Belt to orchestrate a natural disaster on Earth, circumventing the restrictions of the treaty. The implications of such a decision bore significant weight, with strategic calculations set in motion across star systems. Meanwhile, light years from the turmoil, the Intergalactic Federation, an alliance of advanced civilizations dedicated to preserving peace, also had a vested interest in Earth. Stationed at a safe distance was the Vanguard, a reconnaissance spacecraft designed to monitor celestial developments. This ship intercepted a transmission revealing the Arturians' dire intentions toward Earth. Captain Marcus Talon, a leader revered for his extensive control of interstellar dynamics, recognized the immediate threat. The urgency of their situation was palpable, as Lieutenant Kale reported that Federation Command had dispatched reinforcements, expected in no less than 48 hours, an eternity considering the unfolding crisis. Realizing that every moment counted, Talon commanded his crew to prepare the vessel's deflection arrays. The calculations for the asteroid's course correction needed to be precise, as their masses exceeded that of entire urban centers. Each slight deviation could mean the difference between salvation and mass destruction. As the crew engaged in urgent calculations, the systems on board the Vanguard hummed with energy, signaling readiness. The first asteroid, a colossal body of rock measuring several kilometers in diameter, was successfully nudged off its destructive collision path with Earth. "One down," Kale exclaimed, hope flickering amid the gravity of their mission. The crew, synchronized in action, fired deflection pulses again and again, adjusting energy output for the second and third asteroids, which, after intense coordination, were also redirected. As the team prepared to engage the final asteroid, a sudden alert pierced the tension-filled air. An anomaly was detected. An unforeseen collision involving the debris of one of the asteroids had sent a fragment hurtling towards Earth. This new threat necessitated a recalibration of strategy, placing the crew under immense pressure as they worked furiously to alter its trajectory, a final attempt to avert calamity. Tragedy struck as, unbeknownst to the crew, Earth misinterpreted their actions as an offensive maneuver. Panic swept across nations, prompting military leadership to interpret the asteroid trajectory as an act of war. Nuclear arsenals were activated, strikes launched blindly against both the asteroids and the Vanguard. Caught in the crossfire, the Vanguard was obliterated in an instant, taking with it the hopes of averting disaster. The cascading effects of this catastrophic misunderstanding were swift and devastating. The explosion reverberated throughout space, causing the initial fragment to scatter into hundreds of smaller projectiles, each capable of causing extensive damage upon re-entry to Earth's atmosphere. The ensuing impacts resulted in a cataclysm of unprecedented proportions, devastating cities and infrastructure, propelling humanity into a chaotic dark age. In the aftermath, governments were left scrambling amidst widespread destruction, struggling to maintain order in a world thrown into disarray. Advanced technology was lost, pushing society into a regression reminiscent of prehistoric times. Although humanity faced the brink of extinction, they endured, heartened by a resilience forged in the crucible of adversity. The Intergalactic Federation, mourning their ship and the failure of their mission, was left to reassess their role in cosmic diplomacy. Thus, humanity's future, albeit tenuous and fraught with challenges, was defined not solely by the devastation they faced, but also by their capacity to rebuild. The shadows of the Arturians and the consequences of interstellar intrigue loomed over this new chapter. As we ponder the potential paths that lie ahead, we invite you to reflect on the fragility of civilizations, galactic or terrestrial, and engage with us in this ongoing exploration of existence beyond our home. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future videos. Until next time, let your imagination run wild. We're just getting started.